Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to Gold Autopsy. Today, we're diving into a short but sharp analysis of gold's movement for July 8th, 2025. Alright, I've got this set up for you. On this hourly chart, I've already marked several key levels that I believe are valid. These lines aren't just random. They're drawn based on real price reactions in the past. So there's a high chance that price will respond again if it comes back to these zones. Now, some of you might be wondering, why does price keep reacting around these same levels? Well, it's all about liquidity. These zones often hold clusters of orders, pending buys and sells, stop losses, or even trapped traders from previous moves. That's exactly why big players or market makers tend to drive price back into these areas, to collect liquidity before making the next big move. Based on previous levels and liquidity, we can simplify what looks like random price movement into something clear and directional. Price reacts to these zones in just two ways. Either it breaks through or it gets rejected. Simple, right? Now, let's focus on the key setup and spot where the market might give us a solid trading opportunity. Right now, price has bounced off the 3349.59 area. For now, it looks like gold might pull back to retest the support zone around 3323.98. This could be a temporary move before the market decides whether to continue higher or break lower. So, as long as this hourly candle hasn't closed above 3349.59, you can look for a possible sell setup below that area, with a target around 3323.98. Now, for the stop loss, here's what you can do. Option 1, if the candle closes above 3349.59, just close the trade. Simple and safe. Option 2, if you want extra protection, you can place your stop loss a few pips above that level. This gives you a bit of room in case price suddenly spikes before reversing. Alright, now let's talk about the buy setup. Before you enter a buy, make sure the price closes above 3349.59. That's your confirmation. Also, make sure you've already closed any open sell positions from earlier. Once the breakout is confirmed, you can enter a buy position with your take profit around 33.6186. For the stop loss, you can either place it just below 33.4959 or cut the trade if the candle closes back below that level. Alright guys, those are the two best setups I'm watching today. One for a possible sell and one for a breakout buy. Let's see how it plays out, and I'll catch you in the next breakdown. Thanks you guys.